Hey guys, Julie here from Julie Aaron Designs. In this video, I wanted to show you two different ways that you can test your Procreate pattern files to make sure they're tiling and lining up seamlessly. And so the first way that you can do this is to start by duplicating your original file. And then go into your layers and collapse everything onto one layer, including a background layer as well. And then duplicate this layer 3 times, so you have 4 total layers. And then using the move tool, turn on the snapping and magnetics with all your settings turned up high. Drag down from one corner and then snap it into place just like this. And then do the same thing with all of your other layers so that you snap each one to each corner. And now you can zoom in and just check that everything has lined up seamlessly and you don't have any white gaps. And if you're struggling with this, I have actually created another way that you can test your pattern, which is free. And so first you can save your file by clicking on the wrench icon and then clicking on share, and then saving it as a JPEG to your files on your iPad. And then head over to my website, which is julieaarondesigns.com. And then under Artist Resources, click on the Seamless Pattern Preview tool. So from here, you can click on the 3 small dots at the top of your screen and select Split View, and then open up your Files app. And then from here, you can just tap on the file and quickly drag it over to the empty space here. Now you can preview your pattern and use this zoom slider. You can zoom in and out on this pattern to test that it's tiling correctly. So make sure you bookmark this for later so that you can easily test your patterns. So I hope you liked this video and found my pattern preview tool useful and helpful for creating your patterns in Procreate. So make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in my next video. Cheers!